It's not just stuff, things you put in your bag. They're your valuables, precious possessions. They might not mean much to anyone else, but they mean the world to you. Inspired by 180 years of trusted innovation, after Linus Yale's world-first patent for padlocks, new Yale padlocks protect the things you love. With our iconic design and vibrant colors, rigorously tested for added reassurance. They keep a watch out while you work out. And look after your kids' school kit too. There's weather-loving locks for your sheds and gates, for the cyclists, DIYers and garden enthusiasts, and maximum protection padlocks for garages and shop fronts, for the entrepreneurs and weekend warriors, giving you total peace of mind. So go on, let Yale take care of your possessions while you take care of the rest.